Hello, kids. Let's learn capital and small letters together. Learn about colors. Blue color. Teal blue color. Pink color. Orange color. Light green color. Black color. Red color. Yellow color. Let's write alphabets. Capital A, small a. A for apple. Apple is a red fruit. Apple is healthy for us. Capital B, small b. B for ball. We play with a ball. The ball is round. Capital C, small c. C for cat. A cat is a small animal. Cats like to drink milk. Capital D, small d. D for dog. A dog is a pet animal. Dogs guard our homes. Capital E, small e. E for elephant. The elephant is the biggest land animal. It has a long trunk. Capital F, small f. F for fish. Fish live in water. They can swim fast. Capital G, small g. G for grapes. Grapes are sweet fruits. They can be green or purple. Capital H, small h. H for hat. Wear a hat on our head. A hat protects us from the sun. Capital I, small I. I for ice cream. Ice cream is cold and sweet. Kids love ice cream. Capital J, small j. J for jug. A jug holds water or juice. We pour from a jug into a glass. Capital K, small k. K for kite. A kite flies in the sky. We fly kites on windy days. Capital L, small l. L for lion. Lion is called the king of the jungle. It has a loud roar. Capital M, small m. M for mango. Mango is a sweet fruit. It is called the king of fruits. Capital N, small n. N for nose. We smell with our nose. Our nose helps us breathe. Owl. Capital O, small o. O for owl is a bird. Owls can see in the dark. Capital P, small p. P for parrot. A parrot is a green bird. It can talk like humans. Capital Q, small q. Q for queen. A queen wears a crown. She lives in a palace. Capital R, small r. R for rainbow. A rainbow has many colors. It appears after rain. Capital S, small s. S for sun. The sun gives us light and heat. It rises in the morning. Capital T, small t. T for tree. Trees give us fruits and shade. Trees make the air fresh. Capital U, small u. U for umbrella. We use an umbrella in the rain. Capital V, small v. V for van. Van carries people or goods. It runs on the road. Capital W, small w. W for watermelon. Watermelon is a big fruit. It is red and juicy inside. Capital X, small x. X for Xmas tree. An Xmas tree is decorated at Christmas. It looks beautiful. Capital Y, small y. Y for yolk. Yolk is the yellow part of an egg. It is healthy. Capital Z, small z. Z for zebra. A zebra has black and white stripes. It runs very fast. Let's repeat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. To keep learning, like this video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.